Introducing a
Good morning, guys. So I've got to get used to this new layout of OBS's update. Good morning, how we doing? Got my muesli bar ready. Shit. Where's my phone? Morning, everybody. Welcome back once again. Hello to Racing Snake, Zong Zubu, and Great Goosa. Did I say that right? Sub from England, unlucky about the Euros, man. I play on a GTA RP server and there's a lot of people from England on there. Shit, man, why did you bring TikTok on early? No one's talking. Alrighty. Oh well, better get into it since everyone's quiet. Alright. No, we didn't deserve to be there. Oh, really? We were trashed the whole time. True. Kia ora Jim on YouTube and Alpha. Kia ora. Yeah, I won't lie. I don't really watch that sport, but yeah, I did see like there was another game in America, and like it was between Argentina and someone else, and it was like real dangerous. So, mate, what do I need? Pencil. Hold on. Fuck, I've lost all my pencils, eh? What's up, Danger? Hold on, chat. Alright. Let's get it. Let's not muck around since chat's a bit quiet. I also might be streaming something this weekend on my main channel, game-wise. I don't normally stream games on my channel anymore, but yeah, this thing I'm gonna be doing is just to help out someone. There we go. Greetings from Germany. Kia ora. Germany. Sup, brother? It's amazing. Kia ora. So welcome as well. First of all, my name's Brooks. I do traditional Maori wood carving. And this is what the project that we've been doing for the last few streams. This is called a Manaya. M-A-N A-I-A. And this is a commission for a dual birthday. So 2 birthdays on one day. And this was one of my late uncle's commissions he never got to finish. But this is what we'll be cleaning today, is this face, before we initially move on to the next section. So we're kind of coming to the end of the designing phase. So welcome everyone in. I'm not sure if I'm live on Kick. Could be. Let me check. Yes, I'm trying to go on live on as many platforms as I can right now. Just to try and get a longer reach. Hello from Russia, kia ora there, Sue. Says my channel's live and then it says it's not. Gosh. Alright, here we go. Let's back this out, eh? What's up, Kamikaze? What's up, eh? Hey, brother. How was your weekend? Yeah, it was good. I was gonna stream yesterday, but my kids wanted to go and watch Inside Out. I must say, bro, there's some parts in that movie even I got a bit thinged by. Morning TikTok, how are you? I'm first, woohoo. Yeah, first to comment. Hey, what's up, brother Kuro? I'm good today, my bro. So yeah, took my kids to go and watch Inside Out yesterday, and that was a bit of it's a bit of a movie, I must say. Like, I'm always happy with my kids, you know. I tell them, you know, mum and dad has just as much emotions as they do. But yeah, it was a pretty interesting movie. How you doing today? Yeah, I'm doing all good, brother. How we doing, TikTok? How was your fellas weekend? So, just bring these back over so that camera's not in the way. How are you guys, TikTok? He's good? Hope he's up. I was supposed to do a just chatting TikTok stream over the weekend, but I just got busy. Yeah, me and my wife just started watching House of Dragons. We're only on season 1. Spend time with the family? Yeah, brother. There we go. Hey, what's up, brother? Happy Tuesday. Oh, it's Tuesday today. Holy shit. Fire out, it's Tuesday. Yeah, so this is kind of like the last week of the school holidays for my kids, so I'll be able to stream, and then there might be moments where I won't be able to, but I will keep you updated. You study at Te Puia? I used to. I graduated ages ago. Yeah, like a long time ago now. Well, it feels like a long time ago. Hold on, I'm just gonna point you down. Down a little bit. There you go. How's married life? Yeah, all good. You know, as it should be. Good days. Sometimes we argue, sometimes we love. It's just all part of life. Hey, Sturdy, thank you very much for the tier 3 for 47 months, my bro. It's a bloody long time as usual, brother. You remember, as I've said for 47 months in a row, feel free to cancel your tier 3 at any time. Cheer, my bro. Thank you, and thank you for the gifts over on TikTok as well, Fano. Jeez, I'm pretty early on the TikTok, I'm not gonna lie. La la la. Yeah, so if you're just tuning in, apologies for not being streaming yesterday. Ended up going and watch Inside Out 2 with my kids. Even I felt some type of way from that movie. It was, it was something else, man. Gotta take my kids to see that soon. He wants to go, but yeah, it's pretty good. I'd say it's pretty good for all ages, to be honest. Hello, Ramus. I might have to go watch that movie. I recommend taking your kids too. The reason why I wanted to take my girls is, you know, as they grow up, they, you know, get more emotions. I want to take my nephew next, because he's getting to that point where, you know, he's about to go to high school. Oh, he's still young, I should say. He's going through things. Hey, much love, Grim. Yeah, there's one particular part in that movie that hit really hard for me. Do you like Max Holloway? Yeah, me and him are mates. So I clip my toenails? Brother, you need a horse file. But you know what's funny? That's how my uncle used to shave his toenails down too. It was disgusting. You can still hear the scraping. Bruh, you may as well cut that whole damn toe off. Thank you for the Aroha on TikTok, guys. I'm trying to keep up with you guys' comments too. Like, I want to talk to you guys. Cyphers, watch your videos. Oh, cheers, brother Colby. Everybody know Colby for the pass, for the pass. I always think of that Eerie Spears line when I see that name. I don't know why, but this feels a bit lower than usual. Jeez. So this is the last section. Well, this is the last part of like the heads that we have to do. So if you haven't seen this piece before, this has two Manaya heads. So this one and the one down here. So the reason why it has two is because it's for a joint birthday. So it'll be going to two people. Hey Box, how you been? Good, brother. Good. Busy. Stressed. As usual. All those things as a parent. How did the hoi carving go? Oh, I finished that like ages ago. Yeah. What's your carving called? A manaya. So a manaya takes the characteristics of a bird. Sometimes it has the body of a man too. They come in all different shapes and sizes. But obviously with this one, it's just got the one singular hononga or body that attaches to the other head. And yeah. You have such a sweet soul. Oh, I'm alright. Yeah, on my gaming, not on my gaming channel, on my main channel this weekend, I could be streaming an event. I can't talk about what it's for. It's a gaming event, but I just put my hand up as a volunteer to participate. Or to be a helper, I should say. Hey, what's up, Ulrich? Where are you from in NZ? I'm from Rotorua. Cheers to everyone that gave me the jacket recommendations too. In 2 weeks time I'm off on my honeymoon down to Queenstown and I need a warm jacket. I think I need to get some shoes too because all I own in terms of footwear is Crocs. That's all I own is Crocs. Yo, Maddox and Superman appreciate you. Ain't nothing wrong with Crocs or if you're going in the snow there is. When's Queenstown you going to be? I have no idea. I left all the booking accom stuff to my wife because that stuff will give me a headache. I know we're going to drive to Milford. Gonna drive to Milford, and then my brother-in-law, he booked us a day at that spa place everyone wants to go to down there for the day for our wedding gift. So he's booked us in for that, and yeah, we're just gonna try and do other things too. Keep up that unbelievable workout, brother. Hey, appreciate you, my brother. Chat, you know, with recent events going on in America, I don't like the guy, but I hope his next president rally he comes out to Many Men by 50 Cent. That's all I'm gonna say. Mersaltum, thank you very much for the Optimus Prime for 2 months, brother. You're such a awesome person. Keep it up. I appreciate you, my bro. Yo, Johnny, thank you for the galaxy, brother. Thank you. Yeah, I just saw the events that occurred in America. Man, the internet is savagery with those kind of things. Like, they memed the whole situation as well. Hey, cheer, brother Johnny. Johnny was a good. Feeling a bit down, but this has made me feel better. What's up, brother? Feel free to talk to me, my man. Hey, B Doggo. Thank you for the galaxy as well. But I'm not gonna lie, I really want a dog after seeing that name. But obviously the main goal in life is to acquire a house. But when that's been set in stone, the first thing I'm going to do is invest in another webcam. I'm gonna buy or acquire a doggo from family, and we are gonna carve it a bed. Yeah, brother Kuro, it's wild, bro. Hello, friend, you are the worst. Oh, okay, shit. At least you aren't lying. I love a man that's straight up. Always think it must be so relaxing. Oh, yeah, it can be, brother. How long are you planning to stream for today? Well, the minimum I try and do every day is 3 hours. If I'm still feeling it, I'll just carry on. Hey, Lily. Wait, can I still call you that? Or is that like a... Don't call me that, that's from my cringe days in school. Okay, chat. Speaking of the subject, who had nicknames back in school they think are cringe today? Yo, Clappy, thanks for the Optimus Prime, brother. Surely there's some gold ones in here somewhere. Your voice is awesome, you should narrate Hawk Tour. Spit on that thing. Is that a good narration voice? So much love from Spain. Hey, congratulations to Spain as well. Sorry, England, for saying that, but yeah, I heard Spain won. I don't really watch the sport myself. But yeah. American accent is on point. I did not have sexual relations with that woman. 2024? Okay, yeah, maybe I did. In my free time, I used to try and practice voice acting. I try and do it live, but I cringe myself out too much. It's like, apart from streaming, voice acting is probably one of my dream jobs as well. That caught me by surprise. Not gonna lie, bro. Shout out to Sketch for not folding. He's the man. Hey, kia ora, Huriri. I follow you on my personal Instagram. Hinakwe. You're not a fan, you a cuzzy. It's like my little cousins, they go, oh, I'm a fan of you. I was like, shut up, man, you're my cousin, don't say that. Kia ora, my brother, have a blessed day. Oh, you too, you too. Yeah, what you making? Carving a manaya. It's one of the most common forms you'll find in Whakairo, which they can be, you know, of all different shapes and sizes. Uwu Yumna, thank you for the brand new tier 1. Kia ora, Yumna. Sorry. What do you think about Kendrick Drake beef? I had Kendrick winning from the jump. And him, bringing Compton together, kind of, they would put salt in the wound. Sorry to all the Drake fans out there. I think for me it was just buzzy to see him, like everyone jump on stage with him when he did the live performance. I know that, some of the Drake fans are like, yeah, but he was the most listened to rapper on Spotify. I was like, yeah, I get it. He still got his back blown out though. But other than that, in terms of like rap these days, man, Eminem's new album, holy. Eminem's new album is bro. I think the funny thing about Eminem for me is seeing how like triggered Gen Z's been getting from his lyrics. Oh, bro, it's entertaining. It's entertaining, man, seeing how triggered people that have never listened to Eminem get triggered by his lyrics today. And then they listen to his old songs, kind of like the era. I'm guessing most of us in the chats, like from all 3 platforms, or 4 I should say. I'm streaming on 4 platforms today. I'm from Auckland, Broxedge, Tāmaki. But I had to drive up there for Teddy Swims. Holy, those roads are stressful. It was a big no to the thank you for me. But I've got to drive back up again there the next month. Oh. Yeah, I'll be honest, when it comes to like busy cities, that's it's not my vibe, I'll be honest. You can see me in a slow town playing cowpoke by Kotawau. Oh, is that where the Marlins are from? Namihi nu Yahuriri. Yeah, your name's familiar. I've seen it all over Instagram. Namihi, my bro. Yeah, so at the end of the month, whānau, I won't be streaming for about 5 days. I'll be on honeymoon. Baby making. Nah. Do you ever make a mistake? No, we don't make mistakes, brother. We make adjustments. We just leave. Oh, I leave them there personally. Happily married. Yeah, I'm Yankee too. So we're married. How'd you get in so good at Whakairo? I wouldn't say I'm good at Whakairo. But to get to where I am at this point right now, time, practice, just like any other thing we do in life, LeBron doing extra hours training for basketball. Same with Curry. Leonardo da Vinci using his brain more than us common folk. Just time. That's all it is. Just like how you throw a rough stone in the river. Eventually it's going to get smooth over time. From what I was taught by master carver such as James Rickard, he always said it takes a lifetime. Alright. Are you selling these? These are for someone already. So this was my uncle's commission before I took over. Reason why I'm doing it now is because unfortunately my uncle passed away a month and a bit ago now, and being one of his tauira or his students, it was given to me to finish. Now, like with these particular forms, it's not really what I do these days, but I'm trying to, keep it simple, kind of trying to think like my uncle, but with a bit of me in it too. So I'll go and get these for you. So this one here, this is my uncle's one. So this is, I think this was the last carving my uncle did before he passed away. Yeah, this one here. So this space here is called a wheku. So I can't really carve it anymore because the eyes are in. The eyes are abalone, or we call it paua. Paua shell. Yeah, so that's what that shell is in the eyes there. So in our culture, we believe when the eyes are in the carving, that's when it can see and feel in our world. Hence the reason why I won't, carve on it anymore. And this is the one I did. So yeah. See how the eyes are not in yet? It's on the tripod, the camera for Twitch and YouTube. So this is kind of showcasing myself through this, but keeping it, traditional. I wanted to keep my end of the handle relatively simple, so my uncle could outshine me with his one. But yeah, once again, that's them. Okay. So I'll put these back now and we carry on. Yeah, so when I finish this one, and we put the eyes in this and the Hoya I finished, I'm gonna go and do some videos. So this is kind of like closure for the loss of my uncle, because I highly respect my uncle in the Whakairo world, even though he would say, we surpassed him as carvers. It was never something I acknowledged. So yeah, in a sense, this is kind of like my goodbye for my uncle before I, carry on. If that makes sense. My my cousins would always say how me and the few students he had in his past still carve today. And we his pride and joy, he was saying. Like Big Z from Surf's Up. Yeah, I do get in those find the board moments though. When I just stop talking and I'm so locked in. That's beautiful, man. Thank you, brother. It's yeah, I don't really know how to find closure then the best way I know how by doing this. So it's more so you know, protecting the mana of my uncle. Because now that he's passed away, the torch has kind of been given to me, and the few students he had is his foundations that will carry his legacy on. If you get me? Yeah. One thing I do need to do today though is go and get some more pencils. I can't believe I've lost about 7 in 2 weeks. Morena, Nikita. So yeah, this is what we've been up to for the last few streams. Once we get to designing, it won't take long. I'm still trying to figure out how to link up my iPad to the bloody PC so I can do iPad streams. Because our next piece is for a streamer. Thank you for the aroha, guys. Much love, Maximum. Whoop. Saved. Have you tried making an icon? What do you mean by that? Yeah, is it Let's View? I tried to use Let's View, but my iPad won't find is it the Bluetooth thingy? Like even the share the code thing for Let's View. How do you come up with your ideas? Everything that I carve is all generational stuff. So all the things I'm carving in front of you have been like are methods that have been passed down through the generations. But yeah. Thank you, Big Madden, for the Optimus Prime, brother. Thank you, Salami and Zanir. This carving has been. Thank you, brother. Yeah, bro, I haven't, I'll be honest, I haven't done a form like this in a long time. The other idea I had to this was a bit more, you know, a bit more technical, but I sat there and thought about it. I was like, there's no need to go technical. Hey, there he is. Yeah, salami. Also, is it American Standard Time that I have to ask? What's like the time in America right now? So for me, it's 10:24 a.m. When would 11 a.m. in America be? Because I've got an event on Sunday, and it's 11 American time, I believe. Hey, Lost. Oh, those stones were looking juicy. Depends. Oh, it depends on the area. Okay. Pacific time. Okay, I need to ask where the bro is in America. I should have figured that. I better tell my wife too. But I think they got haka practice this weekend, so it should be good. I should actually let her know today, so she can mentally prepare to growl me before I tell her when it's too late. I'm new here, you said it's morning right now? Yeah, for me it is. Currently morning. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah, I think that's what I gotta go off. Okay. Sounds like 11 a.m. American is gonna be early hours for me. Sure, Ed. Hi. Oh, which reminds me, I gotta check the Makatani drawer. No. Okay. Do you have an online store? No, I don't, brother. I don't do customs either, or not all the time. Unless I'm confident enough to do it. Like, probably the closest thing to a custom that I'm going to be doing soon is this passion project that I'm going to be doing. More of a shout out, really. Oh. To a certain community. Gotta love Twitch as a site. Cool that you can tune into stuff like this. Jay, brother. Yeah, I had planned to go to TwitchCon this year, but the costs and what I'm trying to save for right now would definitely leave a dent in terms of my current goal in life. I'm trying to... It's going along nicely, yeah, but I'm trying to save for a house. Main reasons is for my kids. And one of my biggest, anxieties, I would say, in this day and age, is my mum getting old. She's not getting any younger. My mum's getting old soon. In like 2 to 3 years, she's gonna be 60. So as the only child, it's kind of my job to try and help her as best as I can, and hopefully we can acquire a house one day and she can live with me and just live out the rest of her life in retirement. But got to do a lot of work to get there. I'm 77. You just made me a fossil. Ah, you're alright. So the housing market, yeah, housing market in NZ is terrible, really terrible. I used to do streams where we'd look at like the real estate in my area, and people were like blown away by, you know, how shit it is. Sending love from Wales. Hey, brother. All the way from Wales. Whoop. What does an average house cost in New Zealand? Like from probably like 800,000 up. Yo, Hazza, thank you very much for the biddies, brother. Are you from New Zealand? Yeah, brother, I am. Yeah, and it's only getting worse, brother. The real estate. Yeah, my wife knows how much, you know, I've been, I disliked paying rent. Because it's like paying for another person's bill, but, you know, it's what we have to do in order for our kids to have a roof over their heads. Rotorua. The house, the place that smells like rotten eggs. Hello from Scotland. Hey, brother. Whoop. There you go. Thank you very much to PJ Wink 9009 for the Optimus Prime. How long have you been working on this? I'll be honest, but I lost count after day one. I hardly ever keep track of the days, eh? Like if I carved this offline, this would have been finished ages ago, but at the same time, man, it's boring because I got no one to talk to. Like having a good yarn while doing, you know, the mahi, the work. Kia ora Mac on YouTube. Alrighty. Hello, Batman. Whooshy. It looks so much smoother. I'll be honest, it's still a bit rough. Whooshy. Is that other Batman movie any good? The one with what's his name? Is it Robert Pattinson? I haven't watched it. Is that Batman game any good? Hey, what's up, Cody? You both look beautiful. Hey, appreciate that. Thank you very, very much. I hope you're good too. Congrats on going to PAX too. I saw that. Hello, Brox. I'm new here. Welcome on in, brother. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Oh, good. Yes, I am using a colouring in pencil because I lost all 7 of mine. So my kids are carrying me in terms of the pencil department. Getting hard carried, by the way. Okay, before we cut there, we need to flatten it. Pick a number between 1 and 95. 69. That's the most degenerate and funny number, so... Hey, 69, God. Thanks, Evan. I wish you would read books to me, and there has been a point where I have read Harry McCleary. Mind my rip hoodie, chat. I wear my old clothes while I'm doing this. Yeah, what's up, Swervin? Kia ora, Kieran Tamatea. Someone sent an expensive gift. Oh no, I better scroll back and try and find it. Was it a confetti? I'm trying to scroll. Have you been to? No, I haven't been to Hobbiton. And you know what's ratchet? I live about an hour away from Hobbiton and I still haven't been. Kia ora means hello and thank you. What's the tempo? I'll be honest, I don't even know what the tempo's here, my bro. So after stream today, then I will pack the dishes away, open the house up. Beautiful work, thank you, brother. All right, let's level out this nose. See who. And then we'll carry on. Fire in shorts. Yeah, I'm always in shorts in winter because I got thunder thighs. I got a fat ass, so I'm warm. I'm warm without even trying. No trackies? Nah, how they wear trackies? Because the pockets get caught on the voice. Greetings from Chile. Hey, Hola. There you go. No idea what you're making, but it looks awesome. So it's called a manaya. So our ancestors took the inspiration of this form from a bird, pretty much. But a manaya is also called a kaitiaki. A kaitiaki is a guardian in our culture. That being Maori culture, so we're the indigenous people of New Zealand, or Aotearoa as we call it. Okay. Thanks for explaining. Yeah, all good. If you have any other questions too, don't be afraid to ask. That's what I'm here for. How this man never changed is a good guy. The only thing I can change is my undies. I can't wear those for too long, otherwise they get crusty. And yeah, I don't want to be that guy. Probably explains the house prices ain't very true, my brain. Thanks, Evan. But if you wear your undies or your jockeys past 3 days, you're that part in Lion King that Mufasa explains. What about that shadowy part? We don't go there, Simba. Yeah, that's where the 3 days go. Yo, Rich Knox, thank you for the brand new tier 1, brother. Appreciate the Aroha, my bro.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Yo, Crow Bunny, thank you for gifting a sub as well, getting us 10 out of 30 in our daily. Appreciate you. Thank you very much for the Aroha today, guys, as well, even on TikTok as well. How did you get into carving? My uncle was a wood carver. Or he did Whakairo, I should correct myself there. So Whakairo isn't your normal Andy, everyday wood carving. This has been a part of Maori culture for years and years and years. Where does Whakairo come from? It comes from our god of the sea, Tangaroa. Thank you very much, Hazard, for the brand new tier 1 as well. Tēnā koe, my bro. Yeah, so, Whakairo comes from our god of the sea, Tangaroa. Like, even if you look at the sea today, what's it doing? Carving away at the land, if you want to look at it from that perspective. Where did he get the idea of carving from? From our heavens. So in our culture we have more than one heaven that has, different aspects, or it represents a different thing. And that's where Whakairo was found, in one of the heavens, when Tāne Mahuta, who is the eldest of all the primordial gods we have in our culture, when he was climbing the heavens to receive Ngā Kete o Te Wānanga, which is the 3 baskets of knowledge. Daniel Perez, thank you for this. Oi, 6 months in advance. My brother, that is a long time. Oi, oi, oi. Thank you, brother. Do you believe the original religion, or is there more to preserve the culture? Like my own religion? I'll be honest, I only believe in Maori gods, eh? From my perspective, like if you don't like it, then that's okay too. I only believe in the gods that my ancestors brought with them, eh? I don't really believe in faiths that were brought, by other people to this country. It's not for me. Sorry, I just love these. No, you're all good. Go ahead. That's what the emotes are for. Like, if people feel some type of way about it, it's alright. Yeah, it's just what I've grown up with, brother. Might be going against the grain here. No, not even. Okay, Destiny players, is there a new episode out today? Yeah, stay hydrated. Yep, I've got my aminos drink on the side. Watermelon flavour. And my Joker cup that tastes absolutely amazing. Cheers. Not an ad, by the way. Talking about, me and my wife just started watching House of Dragon Season 1. Oh, bro. That baby scene fucked me up, man. I felt so sorry for the wife. But I'll be honest, when it comes to House of Dragon, all I'm waiting for is Balerion. He's all I want to see. Yo, thank you very much, Hispanic Lemon, for the Optimus Prime. Kia ora, my bro. Never mind, those in bread. Nah, I just like, I just can't wait to see Balerion, if they ever animate him. And I obviously know, like, in the new season, the big man turned up. Oh, Cregan. Big man. Cregan's a badass, man. What do the millennials say? He has mad aura. That's what these young bucks say. Aura vibes. Whoop. Yep, this is against the grain. Something like that. Mad aura vibes, bro. Lamar cunt of carving. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Define aura. Man with big sword wearing big cloak. Look big cool. That's how I define it. Man with big cloak and big sword. Look big cool. Is that a Corsair HSEddie? My guy. He knows. Yeah, if you must know, I call myself the self-proclaimed biggest glazer of Corsair. I just love the brand, eh? They don't really have much of a presence here in Oceania, as opposed to like Logitech and all of that. Razer, they're probably the two big ones. But I'll be honest, I'd like to help out with that if they ever gave me the opportunity.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Yo, Sea Ninja, thank you very much for the 5-bomb, brother. If you did get a gifted sub from Sea Ninja, please give our brother a thank you. Speaking of sea as well, can't wait to see my favourite dragon again, Sea Smoke. Out of the current ones, I think Sea Smoke is such a Giga Chad name, eh, for a dragon. Yeah, Logitech does have some good stuff, I'll give them that, but yeah, I'm more of a fan of Corsair. Yeah. Thank you, Ski Guy. Ski. Sorry, just trying to do a nose. Thank you, Sea Ninja. You're gonna enjoy season 2 and hate it at the same time. I won't lie, I did see a little bit of it. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, that it's that Crimson Chin Targaryen guy. Vega, that guy. What are you doing, Vega? It's like, who the hell is this Crimson Chin looking ISI patch wearing guy? Crimson Chin. Yeah, it's just the way. Oh, I don't know. I just look at him, bro, and all I see is chin. What's his name? Amond. Is that him? That's the chin guy. Oh, Amond. Yeah, appreciate that, but a monkey. Yeah, Amon Tug. Yeah, that's him. Bro, Amon, Damon. Obviously, they like their mins in their name. Rhaenyra's just it. Oh, bro. The almighty chin. Oh my god, it's him. Hello. How are we? Yeah, bro. It's just I can't get past Eamon's chin when he's on the TV. Yeah, I pretty much just watched like 2 episodes of that and the latest episode of One Piece. Do you live by a beach? Oh, I wish. It's just windy. I wish, brother. Oh my god, he's on TikTok. Hello. Thank you for the gifts as well, guys. Oh my god, hi. Hold on, guys. Oh yeah. Just cleaning up this nose before we bevel it. Alright. The seagulls need feeding. Oh, bro, most annoying freaking animal out there, eh? When you're just trying to have a lunch at any coastal thing place. That's your uncle's piece. Yeah, it was. It is. Salam, brother. Alright, so that nose. Good. It's got a nose now. Is any love from Norway? Kia ora, brother. All the way from Norway. There you go. That's better. You know the guy on... I do not watch Rick and Morty. I can't get my head around that cartoon. That and Adventure Time. I swear it's every top shelf drug put together in a cartoon. That's how I see Rick and Morty. I just couldn't get into it. I thought South Park was silly, but then I watched it. I went, "Oh, this is next level." Yeah, I couldn't get into it, my bro. Sorry, is it the Rick and Morty community? It's just not for me. Just saw that shit. I think I'll stick to Street Sharks. Bro has the Sonic Crooks. Yeah, oh, they were for my daughters, these gibbets, but they started fighting, so I said none of them could have them. So I put them on my shoes. Have you ever seen the Big Les show? No, I haven't. What's that about? Hey. Yeah, bro, Adventure Time is in a league of its own as well, eh? Part of NZA from the Bay of Plenty and Rotorua. I'm gonna donate if you want to. Remember, I'm not gonna tell you what to do with your money. Thank you, Zombie and Zaid. Just make sure you buy you groceries. It's a must in this day and age. For the summer, I'm gonna start doing a garden, a veggie garden. Where are we? Have you ever made any clogs? No. What culture is that again? Where clogs come from? And what age did you start doing this? 12. 12 years old, brother. Back in primary school. And now I'm 32. So doing this has pretty much been, in the words of Boys to Men, all my life. Dutch. Oh, yeah. Hi from Wales. Hey, brother, isn't it? Okay, who's all from Europe in here? I know it's late for you. In the words of, what's his name? Professor Quill, tell the truth! Hello from Norway. Kia ora, brother. Bro's watching this at 3 AM. Go to sleep, you degenerates. Jeez. I don't know how you can stay up that late. I feel like absolute crap if I stayed up that late. I'd be tired by 1. Hey, what up, brother Otter? You too, you go to bed too. I know it's late for you. But I think when we finish cleaning all of this, our art stream will be designing this. So yeah, something I do now is do the art streams inside with the particular piece that we're going to do, and do the design live. And we're good. Love watching and listening to your work. Hey, as long as it helps with your day.
I need you to oil this man.
Where are
right
we?
now.
Yo, Sturdy, thank you for the 2 bar, my bro. 2 away from the daily. Kia ora, my bro. How many wood chips in your grass? Oh, too many to really count. The best way to get rid of them is just put the mower on low. Mulch them up, my bro. But with majority of the wood chips, I bury them all. So something I'll do at the end of this week is collect them all, even the ones in the grass too, and just bury them. So a tradition that I was taught by my uncle, because Whakairo is a sacred thing in our culture. So main reason why it's a sacred art, or it's a sacred thing in our culture, is because within Whakairo we're carving our ancestors a lot of the time, and obviously they're not around anymore. And the most sacred thing to us as a whole in our culture is, sorry to the egotistical males that might get pressed by this, but women. Remember, brothers, we were not born from a cabbage. We were born from a mother. But yeah, pretty much in saying that women were the most sacred thing, are the most sacred thing in our culture. Hence why we never mix something that's surrounded by death with someone that brings life. If that makes sense. Can't English, sorry. Steer your soul. Thank you very much for the brand new tier 1, brother, and Zelan 0001 with triple OG. Thank you very much for the Optimus Prime as well. Kia ora. Yeah, so you look at Whakairo. Whakairo is surrounded by death because we carve those that have passed on. Wahine, women bring life into the world, okay? So in a traditional sense,
I need you to oil this man right now.
I'll say those two entities were never meant to go together. But in this day and age, you know, modernization is a thing. There are women covers out there, but the way I was taught was traditional, and that's, you know, where I'm gonna keep my beliefs. And being a girl dad, there have been instances where I've been carving an ancestor out here, and I won't allow them anywhere near the shed. Like, I'll let them watch from the door or from the window. Like, this may look like a normal wood carving, but at the same time it does take a bit of a toll on the body. Like, I think I did, there was one day I did 8 hours straight, and bro, my soul needed to sleep. Cheer, brother, steal your soul. Steal your soul. Shang Tsung. Appreciate you, brother. Hey, who's playing 2KXO? How good was the Brom reveal? 2 of my mains in that game now, and I couldn't be happier. Yeah, I've been streaming full time for about 4 years now. Man, I love Iro. He's good vibes, eh? I love Iro too. All you need in life is teamwork. Uncle Iro is good vibes, man.
I need you to oil this man right now.
Yo, thank you, brother Chef, for the 2 bomb, brother. Trying to get affiliate, but I need to put more time into streaming. Also, utilize TikTok too. TikTok is the biggest platform in the world, whether you're eating, shitting, hopefully not driving. You know, everyone's on TikTok, eh?
I need you to oil this man right now.
Shout out to the peeps that do shit talk on the daily to pass the time. Yo, Chef, thank you for the 2 bomb, and then Kuro coming in with the 5 bomb, hitting the daily sub goal today. I appreciate the Aloha brothers. If you did get a gifted sub, please give our bros a thank you. And if we go beyond, I very much appreciate it as well. Thank you very much for hitting today's sub goal, whānau. So I think for today we'll just solely focus on this face. It's almost done, but yeah, for now we'll just solely focus on it. So for tomorrow we'll be straight on to the body. And as I mentioned too, with these sections here, 1, 2, and the other 2 down the bottom, they will not fully be cut out till everything's done. What would All Might say? I'll be honest, I pictured All Might doing a superhero pose at Donald Trump. Eat this! Anyone watch the latest episode of One Piece? Bray. Hokaku sovereignty. It's so cool to see it in HD, man. If I could look like anyone from the One Piece world, it will probably be Dory. It's funny when people are surprised that they find out I get into anime as well. Like, yeah, bro. I am a man of culture as well. Hey, I appreciate you, brother. How's the weather? It's actually not too bad today. I should have done some washing, but I didn't. Plus, I'm a dub guy. Yeah, it's fair, brother. Like, majority of the time these days, I only read One Piece because it's on the juiciness right now. But I just go back and watch some of the episodes just when the cool parts come up. Laundry tomorrow for me? Yeah, I need to do some today, so the wife doesn't, you know. Could have done some laundry today. Just, oh my god, Mom, leave me alone. Because I needed to pile up. Oh, yeah. Yeah, what up, Infected? How you, my bro? Hey, appreciate you, brother. On TikTok. Whoop. Where are we? Making sure everyone's okay. Any also any Warzone players in here? I saw a teaser or a leak that WWE is gonna be collabing with Warzone. But if they add Roman Reigns, I'm in there. There might be a RP stream on my main channel this Sunday, my bro. I've got to do something on there. I acknowledge you. Appreciate you. But I ain't gonna lie, bro, the current bloodline, it's okay. I feel like they're all being outshined by Jacob right now. And I'm absolutely for it. I love Jacob Fatu, he's the man. I'd get one of his t-shirts, but the shipping is expensive. Digging the Sonic Crocs chair, my bro. Yeah, these gibbets were supposed to be for my girls. But they were fighting, so, you know. They had to learn. They had to find out, and unfortunately for them, they're mine now. What's cool is they actually like Sonic like I did at the age, and I'm all for it. What motivates you to keep going? My culture? Or the hardship they went to try and silence my people? That's why I do it. Because they try to take it from us. But in saying that too, you know, the generations, the current generation that are really, really keen to learn, the Maori kids, and everyone outside of the country. Because, I'll be honest, my culture is more loved outside of my own country. That's what I am very grateful for, is that I get to share with everyone outside of my own country too. But man, the tribal chief is Roman. Yeah. I'm just loving Jacob Fatu now. Bro, and he got lean fast too. Who governs Tuhoi? Like, who looks after Tuhoi? There's a number of people that like speak for the tribe. For the different areas, I should say. The OG streamer? Oh. I don't know about OG, my bro. You know who streams I miss? CDM the third. I still idolize him. Even being like a streamer myself, I still really idolize C's. Just for, you know, how he was, or how he is. Not, I shouldn't say how he was. How he carried himself. It was always a good laugh. Like when the Fortnite era was popping off, he was probably the number one streamer from that game that I always watched. Like occasionally when he pumps up the streams, I make sure to go and watch him again. Soon we'll have a short break and then we'll get back into it again. But I'm really happy with the pace we're going at. Only little things for this space now, and then it's done. I can't do battle rules myself. Oh, me too, bro. But when I win, I celebrate like I won the bloody World Cup or something. Celebrate like I won a bloody major. Whoop. There we go. Thank you, Wix. This is just the eyes after the cleaning up. So after the cleaning up, then we'll draw the design on. And then once the design's all done, and then we do the eyes. So I'll most likely put them in off stream just to save time. Because soon I'm gonna start looking for some timber. Alrighty. What we're gonna do is just have a little break. So just chatting. Thank you for the galaxy, brother. Sorry, I didn't acknowledge that immediately. How bad of me. Oh yeah. Sorry I didn't acknowledge that faster, brother. Thank you. Hey, just to let you know, the audio on the YouTube is a little quiet. Oh, really? It's probably on all of it, to be honest. Yeah, I'll turn it up a little bit. Thank you once again. I did catch that one. Holy cow. I gotta try and be faster. Okay. Let me get this carving. You deserve it. Oh, thank you. Alright. There it is. Thank you very much for the aroha. Here we go. So yeah, relatively simple, as you can see. But once we finish all the designing and the molding, that's when we get into more of the designing side. Love from Jesus. Okay. Cheer, bro. That's a new one. I haven't seen that one before. Oh yeah. Okay. Clamp that in there so it don't fall out. Righty. Let's have a bit of a chatty lala. Do you play rugby? I used to. Santa Claus loves you. No, we don't, because he ain't sent me shit. He's a liar. Screw that guy. I joke. Thank you, Carla. Okay, there we go. Now we're sitting flush. You watch Overtime? No, I don't know who that is. Tēnā koe from Taranaki. Che! All the way from Taranaki, eh? Needed this positivity today? Oh, I think we're all good vibes, eh? We all are. What is that? A kookaburra? Thank you. Where are we? I just gotta make sure I'm keeping an eye on all the chats. He streams COD. I've never streamed. Oh no, I've never streamed COD once. But if they make a Roman Reigns skin with this WWE collab, I'll probably play it. I ain't gonna lie. How's the carving going? Good. There it is over there, behind the koala. Thank you for the koala. It's over here. So we're just having a wee break, and then we'll get back into it. Where are we? Hey, morning, kid. What are you making? So we're carving a manaya. Yeah, after this carving, depending on the timing, I'm supposed to be carving one of my mate's Twitch stream icons. His name's Jaja, with a bit of Maori designs all over it. Yeah, shout out to my boy Jaja as well. Over on Twitch if you want to go watch him. Do you sell your pieces? Yeah, I do. I do. These ones are not being sold because they're already going to someone, pretty much. Have a good sleep, bro. Have you seen The Boys? No, I haven't. We have Prime as well. I just haven't really gotten around to watching it. I've been trying to figure out some content ideas to do for my TikTok. Hey, it's you, kia ora, bro. Kia ora, bro. I might do a bit of a suggestion box in the Discord. Hey, Sarah. What position did you play for? For what? For rugby? Oh, it was your typical forward, pretty much. Yeah, I did see the Cuzzy Squirt was streaming last night. I couldn't stay long because I was getting tired. What style do you carve in? Traditional Maori wood carving, so it's a cultural carving style. And we have many different tribes in our culture that have their own specific way how to carve. And had to learn all of them. Roman Reigns on COD would go absolutely insane. Yeah, spear takedown would be solid. I won't lie, I think the Superman punch is kind of dummy. Even, who is it? Zilla Fatue, he's got the Superman Samoan spike. I saw that one. You have a good hairline? Oh, who knows? My hair might fall out when I get older. I just try not to have my hair tied up all the time, pretty much. I brush it like 3 times a week. Yeah. I'll put my Discord in my TikTok about, and I'll do a bloody content suggestion section of the Discord. A squad bonus. Yeah, like if are you in Australia? No, I'm next door in Aotearoa, New Zealand. Yeah, if they make a Roman Reigns skin for COD, I will definitely play COD. I know that game can be, a bit how's it going, but I feel like with any game that has comms in it, yeah, it's gonna be toxic regardless. Just like how I tell my little cousin, she plays COD and she wants to get into streaming, and I made her trigger some of these guys because she clapped this whole squad. They're older dudes, and they're going, get in the fucking kitchen, you little girl. And then I told them, hey, you tell them to get in the fucking kitchen and make you a sandwich. And she said it, and they went off, bro. Don't you fucking tell me what to do. Oh, bro, it was funny. Did you see the purple sky the other month? Yeah, we took photos. And me and my family went out for a drive to somewhere that was there wasn't that much light pollution. It was cool. It was cool as. Ruffalo blinker fluid. That's a good one. Yeah, no, she's pretty good at COD. Oh, I can't play that game to save my damn self. But if I do start playing COD, I'm like, girl, get on COD and carry me. Make me look good. How was the wedding? The best day of my life. Oh, hold on, the 3rd best day of my life, I would say. next to the birth of my children. But yeah, it was I just get clucky thinking about it. You got married? Yeah, I got married on March 23rd. With my subathon that I'm gonna do for my birthday, um, the highest goal on my incentives list is to show the wedding video. Now, if you know, I'm a very private person. I don't really show anything outside of my life when it comes to my family and my kids. It's and it was my wife that suggested it. What's your? It's a Corsair HS. What's it again? Fuck, I can't remember. What is it again? I can't remember. HS something. Seeing the wedding hugger would be an honor. Yeah. It's I'll show it. I'll show it. I've been just trying to gather some timber because I want to do some taonga giveaways. Instead of giving away these kind of things and whatnot, I'd rather give something away more genuine that was created by me and to give to you guys to have a little piece of the stream. Hi from Sweden. Hello. Yeah, so that's something that I've been thinking about in terms of giveaways instead of game codes and all that kind of stuff. I'd rather give away carvings that you could wear. Pretty much. I'm just trying to find the timber right now, which has been the hard thing. Hey brother, hope you're having a great day. Yeah, it's going pretty good, my bro. Yeah, that would be really cool. Yeah, so I'm thinking one will be a toki. So if you don't know what a toki is, it's an adze blade. It'll be all made out of timber. I'll probably etch my little designs on it. Or I might do 2 variations. I want to do at least 4. 2 toki and maybe 1 pika pika. A pika pika is a very, very simple carving. So a pika pika in IRL is a fruit bat. It's a native fruit bat. So it kind of took inspiration from the fruit bat. So I'll try and figure that out. And another one I want to do is a tiki. I haven't carved a tiki in a long time. What's the subathon you reckon? Most likely be my birthday, 23rd of September. If I don't go to TwitchCon. Nah, I don't want to go to TwitchCon. Unless it's free. Yeah, I don't really want to waste money going to TwitchCon. With, the goal I have in mind to save for a house. Yeah, so that's my main goal in life right now is to hopefully house my family. It's your older brother's birthday too? Nice. Yeah, I know quite a few people that are born on September 23rd as well. And what else? Yeah, bro. That's the only reason I got to Vegas, because flights were paid for, and my accom, because I became a Twitch ambassador. That's one thing you get when you become one. You get 1 free trip to any TwitchCon, or within the year pretty much. And another thing is, you contribute to some of the things that may be coming with Twitch in the future. I don't want to say too much just in case Zach Boosie tries to put me in one of his posts. That guy loves everything Twitch, man. When are you going to hop on a game? I've been gaming a little bit. Do you mean stream-wise? I'll be honest, TikTok Studio is pretty rough, eh? I think it's rough. In my opinion, anyway. Yeah. Bless you and your family. I appreciate you, brother. Surely gonna jump on well for pre-pitch. Maybe. There may be something happening with it. That's all I'm gonna say. Did you study carving? No, my uncle taught me. And I carried on my learning when I left home at 16. Upskilling, I would say. Good morning. Can I ask a woodworking question? Of course you can. Of course you can. Of course I could do with a hot shower today too. Hey, Jonathan. What's up, Ricardo? Where are we? How long have we been streaming for now? An hour? Absolutely love the accent. Jeez, brother. Yeah, so we're just taking a little break and then we'll get back into 2 hours already. Holy shit. Batman or Superman? I will not lie, I was a Batman kid back in the day. Yeah, I didn't really vibe with Superman. What the hell?
Morning _wood_fan69 you would tip $6.90. Kissing face.
Bro, I love the narrator voice. Hey, it's cool. Thank you very much to Morning Wood Fan 69 Uwu for the $6.90 dono. Cheers, brother. What a name. What a goated name. Thank you, brother. Time flies when you're having fun. Yeah, my bro. Batman is someone who any of us could be. We all thought if only I was a billionaire. A multi-billionaire with all the gadgets and gizmos you could ever need. The time for me is 11:36. I live in Aotearoa, New Zealand on the North Island, which is a giant petrified stingray, and Rotorua, which is a volcano. I remember working in tourism. There was this old lady, she gave us a fit check, ripped hoodie, shorts and Crocs. I don't have, Gucci and all that stuff. It's not really for me. I do need a warm coat for Queenstown though. Where was I? So I was working in tourism one day, and I'm just speaking on the volcano comment I made. There was this old lady, she goes, I don't feel safe here. I feel like the ground in this place in this town is crumbling away. She said, oh, it's been doing there for the last couple of years, and just blamed it out. And she was not happy. I was like, oops, my bad. Oh, it's been falling apart for years. I just face palmed and oh shit, I should not have said that. Oh, my bad, lady. Alright. Love what you're doing, keep doing it. I appreciate you, brother. Aren't you the guy? Hello. How are you? Hope you're all looking after yourselves. Make sure to eat your 5+ a day. There we go. So we're gonna clean up a little bit here, guys. So we're just cleaning up all the areas that you don't see, pretty much. Love has truly been good to me. Not even one sad day. Already I have had since you come my way. Is that a Manaya? Yeah, my bro. Double Manaya? Thanks. New to NZ. Do you know the best wood for tool handles? If you don't want to get one from a hardware store, it'll most likely be a hard timber like rata or something. Because that's what my mallet's made out of. Just make sure you don't be like your age and, you know, cut timber at almost eye level. That was the first mistake he made. Cutting timber at this height is not it. Because he was cutting like that, eh? Like, bruh. Hopefully his eyes all good though. Have you ever tried making surfboards? No, not at all. Mainly because, you know, I kind of stick to what my ancestors do, pretty much. Hey brother, I haven't seen you in a while. Cheer my bro. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm not gonna lie, it feels like a Monday. But it's Tuesday. A few people have me on the auto notifications. I don't know why. What's that like for when you go live? Holy cow, there's 1,000 people in here. It's still Monday for me. Yeah, it feels like Monday for me. I was talking to you. Oh, my bad, my bad. Do you find it easier to make something while having a chat? It feels better with chat. Gets boring carving by myself. I always need someone to, you know, talk mass amounts of shit with. I feel like it just helps, you know, to have a yarn along the way. Obviously, you know, when you're carving with a crew, it's better, but I've been carving by myself for like 4 years. So, yeah, definitely it feels better, you know, having a yarn with you guys while I work. You guys got the best seat in the house. Where do you live? Aotearoa, New Zealand, brother. Yeah, I'll never really, live in another country. I'll feel too disconnected if I lived in another country I'm not from. Me personally. Oh. Like when I was in Vegas, I felt really disconnected after like the third day. But I knew I was there, for a reason. And that was for TwitchCon, and I didn't really go to TwitchCon to like muck around. I went there to network as well. Spicy Brits. Yeah, that was the main thing I was personally struggling with is the disconnect from the land. That they help out the people that can live in another country without a fuss, mate. That's pretty strong. Oh. Almost tripped over. Where are we? Thank you, Joe. I'm new. What do you... Oh, jeez, that was too fast. Bro, are you Muslim? Nope, I'm Maori. Sorry to disappoint. Could never move and land somewhere. Oh, yeah. Alright. So what I'm currently doing is just cleaning up, all the sections that don't get looked at. I'm gonna make sure nothing's left untouched, pretty much. Where are we? Oh. By the way, here in Germany... Oh, jeez. I missed it. From Lithuania. Kia ora. What town do you live in? Ain't this that guy from Twitch? Hello. Hey brother, how are you? Oh. Sorry if I miss anything, I'm just dealing with a tricky bit right now. Yeah, not so tricky after all. Yo, that's the guy. Che. Save this man at all costs. From what? Someone coming to raid my clothes or something. I'm trying to keep up. Okay, who's this? What are you making? So we are carving a manaya. As you can see, two heads here. Those are the manayas, and the body. That's the body there that links them together. Skills, thank you very much for the 26 months as well. Tēnā koe, my very much love everyone. Much love, my brother. Good to see you again too, my bro. Where are we? Ooh, what if? I just thought of it. For the tiki that I'm going to carve and give away. What if we did an art competition in the Discord? Get a bit of a, participation going on. That could be it. Any form of art, yeah, in any kind of art form. Maybe we should do something like that. I just thought about it now. Yeah, balloons. Yeah, maybe we'll do something like that. That'll be pretty cool. How long have I been carving for? Since I was 12. Since I was a young buck. Yeah, maybe do something like that. What wood do you use for sculptures? Majority of the time it's native. Native timber is what I like to use most of the time, but if there's like something that's presented to me in life, then I'll just use that. Like the first carvings I ever did on Twitch was an old coffee table, and that was pine. Yo, Cat, thank you very much for the 5 months as a tier 1. Cheer, my brain. And who's there? Let me get closer to the Drunker 91 for the brand new Optimus Pro. Kia ora, my bro. Love what you do, bro. Keep working hard. Thank you, brother. I'll do my best. Alright, there we go. Where are we? Oosh, that Charizard emote. As much of a Blastoise man. El Antonio, thank you for the galaxy, brother. Antonio. My dude, where do you get your wood from? I'll be honest, I get most of it from a wood recycling centre here. So they do a lot of the they do a lot of like demolition work here, and all the old buildings out around here are all done out of native. And yeah, he gives good deals, and sometimes he doesn't know the value of the timber, so we get a good W deal out of it too, financially I should say. As I mentioned when I did a Taiaha on stream a couple years back now, the timber that I got for it, like it had a value of between like I would say $700 to $800. I got it for $80. He's like, oh, it looks like a bad piece. They made some, oh, yeah, bad piece. Well, how much you want to give it for? That's kind of the species I need. And he goes, oh, I'll give it to you for $80. I went, deal. And I just walked out with an 800 piece of timber that I paid for $80 with. So yeah, I wasn't complaining. I definitely, you know, wasn't complaining. You from New Zealand? Yeah, brother. Born and raised. Speaking of Will Smith, did you see Ibai had him performing on the stream? Bro, that dude's event went hard, bro. I feel like Spanish streamers, bro, they go all out for these streams and it's cool to see. What's that on Gogeta? Yeah, I still don't know how to set up that super chat thingy on YouTube. So I'm currently streaming on Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, and Kick ? It says I'm live, but it's not showing the broadcast, so tomato, tomato, to be honest. Where are we? Sick I'm going there tomorrow for the first time. Oh, in the UK. True. Thank you very much for the Aroha on TikTok. My phone's in the red now, just to want to let you know TikTok, but if I out of nowhere say I have to finish the stream, I do all my TikTok streams off my phone. And my phone's on, it's I think it's on the end of the road in terms of its lifespan too. I won't lie, I've been Samsung for a while, but I think I might change to Apple. Is that a good decision? Let me know. Like, I don't normally buy a new phone till my phone like is dead, pretty much. That's why I'm always rocking a version, like there's a couple versions, but no bad decision. Oh really? Hey. Is it that bad? I used to have Twitch, but now it's a platform for OnlyFans promos. Oh, it just depends who you watch. Who you been in the beach and resort section, eh? Hey. Amaranth. Good old times when you were streaming from your phone, bro. Hard. Those were some stressful times, my bro. 10,000 strong and my phone's like fucking out on me. And there's an option to turn on super chat. Okay, can you DM that to me? Because I'm probably gonna forget. Boy, you're that guy. That guy. Hello. I'm also a bit of a, you know, a clown, if you will. Oh, good. Kill the good wing. Thank you, man. But in all honesty, I hope everyone's good though. I'm on the North Island, brother. I thought I was tripping very... What are you on? Tripping balls, are you? There's almost 2,000 people in this bloody TikTok stream. Man, can we hit those numbers on Twitch too? Much love, guys. It's him. It's you. I am him. You are you. That's what I'm trying to ask you. No, I am you. He is him. Whatever you are feeding him is too damn big. I missed watching Rush Hour, man. I love that movie. Love from Ireland. Hey, brother. All the way from the Isles. Shit, my laptop just went flat. Oh, it's been not plugged in the whole time. Can you, so TikTok, can you actually raid people on TikTok? So if you don't know what raiding is, it's like, if you haven't seen Twitch, raiding is when you send, what's your Twitch handle? BROXH_. Or if you want me to be like every single porno bot on Twitter, link in bio. That's what they do, eh? Link in bio, and it's this emoji and that one. But there's none of that for my one. It's just wood. Sorry, I'm just being an egg. Goofball much. Alright. Yeah, I think tomorrow will be on the body tomorrow. That'll be our main focus for tomorrow's stream, is the tinana or the body. Thank you very much, Yank the Frank, for the Optimus Prime. Yeah, that'll be the sole focus tomorrow, is the body of the carving. Ooh, that sounded cool there. The sole focus. Sounded pretty suave there. I don't know if they have a name. Yeah, it's Whakairo, my bro. What, my Naya? Wait, just dropped it. Yeah, so my phone is slowly going flat. It'll most likely hit the 5% notification soon. I'm pretty sure you can rate. You can rate on TikTok? I need to figure that out, eh? What up, I'm gonna blow my nose. Oh yeah. I've returned. Sup, Yank? Thank you very much for the prime, brother. Kia ora, bro. Can you do Pounamu? I have done Pounamu, but my heart's more with Whakairo, Maori wood carving. Do you live in Australia? No, I live in next door. Yep, and my phone has officially hit 5%. Alright, TikTok, I do apologize. Yeah, my battery life only lasts for like 2 hours when it comes to doing lives for TikTok. But I hope you all enjoyed the stream, the TikTok stream. We're not going. Don't say goodbye, yous. If you want to carry on watching the stream, I'll be over on twitch.tv/Brox. Dear, look, we got one of those ones using those sketchy emojis already. And YouTube as well. So much love, TikTok. Appreciate all the aloha today. And we will be back tomorrow as well if you're not going to join in on the other ones. Alright, much love. And I'll see you later. So if you want to join Twitch or YouTube, feel free to now. Because my phone's going to die. Alright, much love, guys. Oh, my fat finger can't end it. Okay, bye-bye. Alright. There we go. Now I'm stuck with you guys. How you doing, chat? He's all good. We chilling. I think we've hit the kickback part of the stream, eh? Now, I'll be honest, we've pretty much like smashed out what we've needed to today. We've pretty much caned it all. Okay, that was a good TikTok stream, chatting with them. It's always good to chat to the other socials. Yeah, I think, what's the temperature in the north? I have no idea. First stream, long time TikTok follower. Hey, what's up, brother? Yeah, we've kinda, and now my laptop's gone flat and it's not taking power. Facepalm, bro. Shit, I'm gonna actually have to finish this stream too. I forgot to charge my laptop, so what I do, chat, sometimes my laptop will stop taking power, so I take the plug out for a little bit and then put it back in and then it starts taking power again. Yep. Sucks to be me right now. I actually don't want to end stream, but I'm happy with the progress I've made today though. Like, really good progress. Let me see who's on. I think my bro is playing, might be playing some bloody, Destiny today, I think. It looks good. Thank you, brother. Hey, thank you very much to Roku for the Optimus Prime, getting us 38 out of 30. Appreciate that, brother. Appreciate everyone that gifted subs and subs today too. Yo, Wombat Boy, thank you for the 4 months as an Optimus Prime too, my bro. Thank you, good sir. Wombat Boy. Yeah, I think what I'll do is yeah, I'll finish up early, do some washing, do some chores actually, some house chores. Where is he? Yep, he's playing Destiny. Okay, I might send you to the bro who's playing Destiny, okay? Chat room, I want to say thank you very much for a wonderful stream today. Thank you very much to all those that tuned in. Good questions, good people, a lot of people asking questions too, which is a good thing. For now, I have to love and leave you. Much love. Go show some love to my boy. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll be doing the body, okay? That's what we're up to tomorrow. So, aroha nui kia koutou katoa. Much love to you all, and I'll see you tomorrow. And thank you very much for supporting me. See you later. Bye YouTube, bye